Good evening, all. Good evening. So, good evening, all. Very good evening, and happy evening too, and happy learning, all. Yes, good evening. So, good evening. This is Philip Edit from PantechElearning, and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with PantechElearning anytime, anywhere, and any place. And we are always here for you to support the students in technical way. And also what is our vision is we are going to help 10 million students for learning the technical in easy way. Okay, right. And I welcome you all day 12 Computer Vision Masterclass. And also I welcome you all today's session. Okay, so what we are going to discuss today itself in the sense, for the past days we learned something concept in computer vision, right? Some concept in computer vision we learned. But today we are going to discussing about some interesting thing in OpenCV. Okay, so what is your understanding about this picture? So what is your understanding about this picture? If you understood means please comment me in comment box. This particular GIF will tell you something about the today's concepts, today's discussion. Okay, right? So these all are the this kind of the things we are going to do with the help of OpenCV. So what is your understanding about this GIF? So if you understand means please comment me in comment box. Okay, right. So without delay, I'm going to enter today's concepts. This is nothing but reverse process, right? So this is nothing but reverse process. Hopefully you people are answered very well. So it's here. This is a reverse process. It can be possible with the help of OpenCV package. So we learned many concepts in OpenCV. Okay, we learned many concepts in OpenCV, but we are going to discussing some interesting things today. Okay, so what is the concept? What we are going to cover today itself in the sense, we are going to cover how to play video in reverse mode. How to play video in reverse mode. So these are the concepts we are going to discuss with the help of some coding and with the help of OpenCV. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited? If you guys are excited means please comment me in comment box. Yes, Philip, excited. Yes, Philip, excited. If you guys are excited means please comment me in comment box. Yes, Philip, excited. So don't call me sir. So call me Philip. So that will be more interact with you, and that will be more making the relationship with you. Okay, right. Yeah. So if you guys are excited means please comment me in comment box. Yes, Philip, excited. Yeah. So, what is the procedure to, playing the video in reverse mode? So, we having this certain algorithm to creating the, this kind of the reverse mode process. Okay, right. So, first of all, I'm going to enter into today's topic without delay. I'm going to entering that. So, first of all, what is OpenCV in the sense that already we know that it is one of the package for the computer vision. It is help to processing on the image. So it will be help to processing on the various function on the image and the video, right? So it will be maybe that the color conversion, this kind of the things is a concept, right? So this reverse in the sense that will be something interesting, right? So that is why I mentioned here in computer vision library that contains various functions on the processing on images, digital images and digital videos operations. Okay, after that it having the many applications by using the OpenCV in the sense related to the face recognition, object detection, motion tracking and artificial neural networks and deep learning neural networks and video streaming, this and all. That can be possible. Okay, so these all are the things is an application for the computer vision. So many of the applications we have in current situation, so that is why we call it as it is one of the technology in artificial intelligence. Right, no? So a human can recognize something in the sense that can be possible because of the human experienced many things. In the same way, the computer also, in the sense that is nothing but artificial intelligence. Actually, this kind of the statement I mentioned in the first day class, right? So now we are going to learning about the artificial intelligence also. Because of, if you recognize something in the sense, that can be possible with the help of the past experience. In the same way, the computer also can recognize that is possible with the help of the processing on the image and training the computer. So that is model creation with the help of the deep learning, this and all. Okay, so deep learning, computer vision and machine learning, this is the combined process of the artificial intelligence target. Okay guys, right. So without delay, going to cover the and entering the today's topics. Right. So how to play the videos in reverse mode? We have a certain procedure to that actually. So that is here the OpenCV libraries can be used to perform the multiple operations on the video. So let us try to something interesting in that actually by using the CV2. So what is the interesting thing? We are going to do that in the sense reverse process, reverse video. So we are going to play the video in reverse mode. Okay. So why? Because we learned the many of the concept in past days, right? So so little bit change. So we are going to enter in the little bit change. Some interesting things we are going to learn. Okay, right. So here we are going to take the video as an input to play the video in reverse mode. So that is the process, right? So in that particular process, we are going to play the video and covering with the help of the frame by frame. Simultaneously, it will be stored with the help of the IM-write. Okay, so every frames it will be going to saved in that particular location. Okay, after that getting the frame, we will be performing iterating over the frames. So iterating over the frame means it will be helpful for the reverse mode, performing on the reverse mode. After that, we are going to iterating over the frames. It will be, for example, it will be, reverse over the frame by frame. Okay. So what is the procedure means? We are going to loading the image, loading the video or this kind of the things, whatever it is, loading the, digital video. After that, we are going to applying the, cap.read, this kind of the things is a function. Okay. Once I entering the code, you could understand easily very well. So we are going to iterating, over the particular frame. That particular frame will be, iterating over this particular, in video. After that, it will be playing in a reverse mode. Okay, right. So here, the basic algorithm to capture the videos first. That is very important. What is the procedure for capturing the videos in the sense? By using CV2.video capture. That will be help to capturing and accessing the camera. Okay, right. So that means it will be help to capturing the object by using the camera. Okay, clear? So that is one of the function. And here we are going to use the set up the infinite while loop. Okay, so once I run this in the sense, you can understand easily. Okay, and read method is used for reading the capturing frame. Okay, right. After that, we are going to show the, particular, what is that? Frame. Okay, so this is the theoretical part. This is the theoretical part, and also we are going to fixing one thing, that means breaking the loop when you are going to click a specific key. For example, I mentioned Q in the sense, if you are clicking that particular key in the sense, it will be break. So we are going to write that program for this particular statement. So we are going to write the code for these particular statements. Okay, right. Before entering the coding, so I am going to talk about the internship. So if you are if you want to join the internship, means the link is mentioned in the command box. The link is pinned in the command box. Don't forget to register the internship. Why? Because if you join the internship means you will get 30 days learning activity and OpenCV concept you will be learned, and 7+ project we are going to build and develop with me, and you will be getting all the recorded videos for everyday class, and also you are getting all the materials for everyday classes, like PPT, codes, this and all. Okay, normally we charge the project nearly 6,000 in every project, right? But it is overall recorded videos and PPTs, source code, material and PPTs, this and all is covered nearly 26,000, but we are giving only 500 rupees. We are giving only 500 rupees. So don't forget, use this offer. So use this offer to join the internship, to register the internship. The link mentioned in the command box. So this is the link, that particular link mentioned in the command box. Don't forget to register. So because we are giving the offer, and also one particular coupon code we have, OpenCV is the coupon code. use that particular coupon code, you will be getting 500 offer. Okay, so normally this particular, all the, packages like, codes, projects, codes, report, this and all, we charge normally 26,000, but we are giving only 500 rupees for all. Okay, 500 rupees for all. So don't forget to register to the internship. Okay, if you join the internship means you will be getting all the things for this particular 30 days masterclass. Okay, right. So without delay, I am going to enter in the coding. Just first of all, open IDLE. First of all, I am going to, write the code for accessing the camera and capturing the camera. Okay, that is very important, right? So how to accessing the camera, this and all is very important. So yeah, I'm going to write that. First of all, we need to import the CV2. Okay, right. So this particular code for accessing the camera. Okay, right. So then, yeah, cap is equal to, just a minute. So cap is equal to CV2 dot, okay. So what is the function we are going to accessing the camera means video and capture. So after that we are going to entering the something like, so if you're mentioning the, 0 in the sense, it will be, accessing the camera, right? So then going to using the while loop, this is, iterating over the frame. Okay, right? This will be, the condition is true in the sense the camera is holding. Okay, right. So now going to read the camera first. So res, comma, and video, comma, is equal to cap.read. So without reading, it can't be accessible. So read function is done. So because of, we are going to access in the video capture. After that, we are going to read that particular thing. So then only it will be helpful for that. Okay, so it will be reading in the sense it is reading the, capturing the image. Okay, capturing the object. Then CV2 dot IM show. Okay, that is very important here. So IM show. So we have to show the frame, right? So frame, then comma here video. Okay, right. So if now I am going to, making that if CV2 dot wait key, okay, wait key of, maybe that you mentioning the seconds, then and yeah, cut off, like for example cut off is equal to, for example, what is the meaning of that exactly in the sense, if you are clicking the button, Q button in the sense, definitely it will be breakdown, right? So that is why I mentioned here like Q. Okay, if you mention like R in the sense, if you are clicking that button, R button in the sense, it will be breakdown. So that is the reason I'm going to write this. Okay, right. So then, yeah, then break here. Okay, right. After that, we need to do one thing. So cap dot release is very important. This only will be releasing and showing the output for that. Then CV2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, right. So this is the procedure. So this particular code will help to accessing the camera. So that is very important. So if I run this in the sense, you will see the output for this. Okay, right. You will be see the output for this. It will be taking little bit time. Okay, little time. Then you will be getting the output for this. See, it will be accessing the camera. It will be accessing the camera like this. So you can see the output, right? So this is the video capturing access. Okay, video capturing access. Clear, no? Right? So what is the procedure in the sense, if I click one more thing, if I click Q in the sense, it will be breakdown. It will be breakdown because of here I return this. So if CV2 dot wait keys, it holding the windows. But once I click this in the sense, it will be a break. So that is why I mentioned here. If I click Q in the sense, definitely this will be break. Okay, right, clear? So I'm capturing the, accessing the video capture, that means camera, then we have to read the frame, then we have to show the frame. That's it. Okay, so this is the procedure for accessing the camera and showing the, camera. Okay, clear, right? So see the output one more time. See the output one more time. Yeah, it will be taking little bit time. So this is the output for this. Clear, no? Clear, right? Yes. Now I'm going to click Q. Okay, done, right? So now I'm going to enter in the reverse mode process. That is very important. What is the procedure that? Okay, what is the procedure that? We have to take in the input as, what is that? That particular file. So which file you want to play the reverse in the sense, that particular file you have to mention that. Okay, right. So without delay, I'm going to entering the coding. Okay, I clear all this. I will be right one more time. So cap is equal to, so cv2 dot video. So video function, this is the function, video capture. I hope you guys are clear how to accessing the camera by using the coding. Is that clear? Means please command me in comment box. Is that clear? Means please command me in comment box. Okay. If it is clear, means please command me in comment box. Yes, Philip, clear. So command me in comment box. Yes, Philip, clear. Okay, right. Yeah. So now go to, writing the program for video play in reverse mode. Okay. So how to play the, video in reverse mode in the sense, this is the procedure. So we have to mention in the file, what is that? Video.mp4. So this is the file name. Because this particular file I located in the current working directory. That is very important. Okay, right. So now I am going to, use that count. So initially the count is 0. Okay. Why? Because we are going to, iterating the frame by frame. Okay. We are going to iterating the frame by frame. So that is why I mentioned here. After that, initially, I am going to mention the frame list. That is the empty list. Okay, so frame list is a empty. Okay, so here we have to, what does that means? Here we have to, read the, what is that? Read the capturing frame. So that is cap.read. So that will be help to reading the captured video capture. Okay, video capture frame. So after that, we are going to entering the while loop. Okay, while loop, this particular thing, this particular variable is always true in the sense it will be, this looping will be continuously running. Okay, when it is going to reach the false means that time it will be terminated. So that means we are going to write the code like this. So if it is true, always true in the sense, okay, so this looping will be working. So after that, going to write these things again, copy and paste here. Okay, right. So now we are going to enter one more thing. So we are going to enter these things, we need to show that, right? These things we need to show that. That time we need to understood one thing. What does that means? This particular empty list going to append. Why? Because of it, this particular frame is reading in the sense we have to append the frame like list dot append. Okay, so we are going to adding the frame in that particular list, this list. Okay, clear? No, clear, right? So then we have to show the frame also. Okay, we have to show the frame also. So this frame is running one by one. So one by one in the sense initially the count is 0, right? So I'm going to just a minute, count plus is equal to 1. Okay, right? No. So now I'm going to create one thing. So this is clear, right? So when you are going to creating the loop means this is the reading, capture reading. Okay, then going to appending the this reading frames. Okay, after that, so once it is going to, iterating, looping continuous, the continuation will be moved to the false in the sense that will be stopped. So that time that frame need to, clear. After that, again entering the new things. So that means frame list, okay, is equal to, sorry, just a minute, pop off. Okay, so what is that meaning exactly in the sense? This particular loop, looping continuously. When the condition move to the false, that means when the condition means it will be going to end in the sense that time the frame is none. That particular none we have to clear it up. So clear it up in the sense if you are using the pop means that will be help to clear the lost at the end of the frame, at the end of the list. After that it will be moving to the further procedure. Okay, so now it is clear, I hope. So for just a minute, it making. So now I am going to iterate. For example, for frame in frame list. So that particular list is going to iterate over the sequence. So what is the purpose of that for loop means it will be helpful to each and every frame going to iterate. So then only it will be going to play in every frame and each and every frames. Clear, no? Then we are going to entering the cv2 dot imShow of that particular frame. Which frame you want to show that in the sense these particular things, because of this frame only iterating over the sequence. That means it will be going to play in each and every frames. So frame comma frame. So these particular things we have to add. After that, if, so here we need to add one thing. What is that? If cv2 dot wait key, yeah, clear now guys? Clear, so cv2 dot wait key of mention times here seconds and yeah, and 0 cutoff is equal to odd. So this is the one of the function. If you are click q in the sense it will be stop, break. So here I'm missing the symbol, then break, right? No, right. Now we are going to releasing the, what is that, this particular frame we are going to release. So that means release of then cv2 dot destroy window. Okay, right, destroy all windows. Clear now? So windows, yes, oh, that's it. So now we are going to, we done the frame iterate. So the video will be iterating over the sequence. Okay, after that we are going to entering the reverse process. So reverse process in the sense which function we are going to use that in the sense that particular list we can reverse with the help of dot reverse. That means frame list dot reverse of. Clear now? This is it. This particular coding is helpful for that particular video is frame by frame, iterating over the sequence till the end of, the condition will be moved to the false. It is iterating over each and every frames in that particular video. After that, we are going to processing on the reverse process. If you are going to use that reverse function, that will be help to the reverse mode. So that is why I mentioned here. Then for now we are going to iterating over the same procedure, frame in that particular list. What is that meaning exactly in the sense? It will be help to iterating in a reverse mode. Okay, now set now. So frame, okay, frame list. So this is the list. Then yeah, here we have to write cv2 dot imShow of the same thing will be frame So what about that? Reverse just like that. So reverse this and all, whatever it is, or frame, whatever it is, frame. Then here we have to mention the same thing, frame. Okay. Then here, and the same thing will be, we have to write here and copy here. Okay, right? No, now going to release the, capturing the, frame, release of, then cv2 dot, okay, cv2 dot, what is that, destroy all windows. Okay, so windows of that, right? Now is that clear? Is that clear, guys? So here I am not writing the, saving the each and every frames. So that is the different function we have. I am right. We are going to write the I am right in the sense that will be helpful. So I hope these all are the clear, I think. So this will be helpful for, loading and iterating over that particular video. And this particular function, it is help to iterating over the, reverse mode. So that is why I mentioned here reverse, dot reverse. That will be helpful more. Okay, now. Right, I am going to run this. We'll see the output for this. Okay, we'll see the output for this. Yeah. If you guys are excited, so if you guys are excited to see the output, means please comment me in comment box. Yes, excited Philip. Yes, excited Philip. So see the output here. So now it is going to reverse mode. Now it is going to reverse mode. See the output. Now it is going to the reverse mode. Clear, no? Right. Just a minute. If I play it one more time, see the output again. So for the first portion, it will be help to iterating over the, original video. Okay. After that, one it is completed. This time it is the while loop is going to moving the false. Then it is going to the reverse. Okay. Then it is going to the reverse. He will be reaching the particular destination. After that it will be going to the pass, right? Now, so this is the procedure for that. Okay, so if you this is the way to we can play the video in reverse mode. Okay, so this will be helpful for iterating over the each and every frames in that particular video. And if you are going to using the reverse function, that will be also help to reversing over that. So frame by frame. How to save this each and every frame means that we having the one particular code. Okay, that we having the one particular code. Just a minute, I will going to write. So guys, is that clear? No? So see the output, right? You saw the output. So is that cool in the sense? Yes, Philip, it is cool. So mentioned in the comment box. Yes, Philip, it's cool. Yes, Philip, it is cool. Please mention in the comment box. So now I am going to write. Okay, one more thing. So we are going to saving the, what is that? The particular, each and every frames. Okay. So what does that mean? cv2 dot I am right. Okay. Then, so we have to mention the frame here. Frame, just like that. Frame. Okay. Then, comma. So we have to mention here the count. Okay. The count means how to save that particular thing in the sense .jpg. Okay, that is the format we needed. Then we are going to mentioning that each and every count. So count. Okay, so this is the count which I mentioned here. Okay, then that particular video. So that particular video. Which video? So it is readed, right? This is going to save the each and every frames, because this is reading. The capture is reading. So we have to mention here that particular file. That is very important. Okay, clear now? That is very important. Just a minute. What is this? I have to clear this. Then, right. So this is the function, right? So this is the function to save the each and every format. Okay, every frame. I'm going to run this. Sorry. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, this is the particular code for saving the each and every frame. Now I'm going to run. Now I'm going to run. This will be, saving in the particular directory each and every frames. Okay, each and every frame. This is the output. Now it is the output is coming. It is forwarded. Then it is going to the reversed. Then it is going to the reversed. See this. Once it is finished, I will show the each and every picture. Okay, each and every picture. Yeah. Yes, it is going, it's going, it's going. After that, it is finished. Okay, clear now? So now I am going to show the output. Saving the image. Okay, right. Go to enter the particular current working directory. So current working directory in the sense that is, yeah. See here, see the output. See the output. So it will be saving each and every frame. Each and every frame. What is the purpose of this? In the sense, it will be helpful to recognizing the person. For example, one particular one particular things or some unwanted things happen, but it is capturing in camera. In the sense, it will be more helpful for the security and found some unwanted persons kind of things. That will be helpful. Okay, right. So it will be helpful for the recognize the person easily. Okay, so it will be saving all the images in this particular current working directory, each and every frames. So for example, for that particular frame and iterating over that particular list in the sense, this will be saving like this. For example, see one picture. Okay, I play this and I move this. Each and every frame, it will be, each and every frame. See this, see this. You can identify easily, I think. Okay, hope you guys are understood now. So each and every frame, it is captured and saving because of that particular list and because of the particular for loop is iterating over that particular video, right? So if you move this in the sense, it is each and every frame is saved. Okay, clear, right? Yes, clear, no? Yes. So this is the particular program for playing the reverse video. Guys, I hope you can understood about this. Okay, so if you guys are understood means please mention in the comment box. Yes, Philip, super cool. Yes, Philip, super cool. So please mention in the comment box. Yes, Philip, super cool. Okay. So this is the output for this. So it can be possible for the reverse. Playing the reverse video by using the OpenCV package. So is that interesting, right? So is it interesting in the sense? Please comment me in comment box. Cool. Please comment me in comment box. Cool. Is interesting in the sense? Please comment me in comment box. Cool. Okay, right? Yes. Now I'm going to entering the my time. So every day I'm using one particular codes. Okay, right. I have to say one thing to you. What is that in the sense? Always remember that you are absolutely unique. Always remember that you are absolutely unique. Just like everyone else. Why? Because you're having different uniqueness from others. You're not, don't compare to anyone. You have a different uniqueness. You have a different style. You have, different looking. If you have a same look in the sense, that is not a uniqueness. You have a, unique beautiness, unique talking style, unique, handling problem. So every person having some speciality. Don't forget. Every person having some speciality. Okay? So not just like that everyone else. Everyone having the different styles, different handling way. Okay, so you are always being uniqueness. So don't forget, that is also one kind of positivity. If you feel like I'm a unique person to different way in the sense, at that time it will be making you as very positive way and very happiest and joyful way. Clear, no? Yes. So don't, compare to others. You have some uniqueness, unique styles. Okay, right. And make every day. So one more thing also I have to say to you, make every day little loose ordinary. So every day is, regular working, I'm doing this thing, this thing, this thing. But one day you should make it is not ordinary day. It will be making different day. Definitely you have to make it in a different way at least. Okay, so that will be also making you happy and making you positivity and making you as joyful. Okay, don't forget. Okay, so don't feel like I'm not I'm not such kind of the things, and I'm not a such kind of the person. I want to be happy in this sense. You feel like I'm a unique person, I have a different style. I have a unique style also. You just think like that. That time only it will be making you happy and making you positive. That will be making good thing for you. Okay, and it will be making you yourself in some beautiful things. Okay, right? So like this nature, the nature is always beauty, right? So nature is always beauty. So this will be some unique things. That is also the everyone. The same things also happen in everyone's. So you are also unique style. You have also unique style. So make it unique. Okay, right? Thank you all. Thank you. So now I just stop today's concept and today's topic. So we will see in next concept in next day class. Okay, just I'm going to wind up. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you. If you guys, I hope you guys are enjoyed the session, today's session, because of it is completely different from the past day class, right? It is completely different from the past day's class. I hope you guys are enjoyed very well. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Make yourself happy always. Good night and have a good dreams and have a positive dreams and have delicious dinner. Bye bye.